I really like all the practical side of it. There's a lot of you're going to be handling cameras practically every day, and they're going to be asking you to write scripts. So I really enjoy the side of practicing, like getting actually hands-on activities. My name is Dante Ferrer, and I'm a second-year student studying film production at SAE Liverpool. Well, my passion for film started from a very young age. I've always liked movies. My dad is a very big cinephile. I just continued watching them, finding genres that I enjoy more. And then I started learning about directors and the kinds of film that they make. And I started making films of my own when I was a kid, and just make very cheap short films by myself. And I was the character, the actor and stuff, and it was pretty funny. When I started, I had a few scripts that I had already written by myself, before I started uni. Inspiring moments was when I shared my scripts with some of my teachers, some of my lecturers, and just for them to read it and give me feedback and see what they think and stuff. And it was just really really inspiring again to see someone who has been or who is in the film industry, and to actually say that this is nice, you do what you wrote is nice, I like it, I like this idea. Obviously try to change this, try to add that, but it's nice that you're able to share your ideas with people that know about film. Like we said, a hands-on experience. You get to be with people who are interested in film, write your own scripts, direct them, produce them, whatever. So it's a lot of really good and useful experience. It's not 3 years or 4 years, it's just 2 years, and it's very quickly, and it's a lot of work, so it's a bit challenging, but if you're ready for it, you get a degree in 2 years, which is really nice.